I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. She drinks a cup of tea for breakfast. She drinks a cup of tea for breakfast. He takes a shower before work. He takes a shower before work. We go to the gym 3 times a week. We go to the gym 3 times a week. They eat dinner together as a family. They eat dinner together as a family. My dog barks at the mailman every day. My dog barks at the mailman every day. The bus arrives at the stop at 8:15 a.m. The bus arrives at the stop at 8:15 a.m. The train leaves for London at noon. The train leaves for London at noon. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. We watch TV in the evenings. We watch TV in the evenings. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. Most plants need sunlight to grow. Most plants need sunlight to grow. The internet connects people all over the world. The internet connects people all over the world. Love is a universal feeling. Love is a universal feeling. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. The store opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. The class starts at 8:30 a.m. The class starts at 8:30 a.m. The train leaves every hour. The train leaves every hour. The movie starts at 7 p.m. The movie starts at 7 p.m. The bank is closed on Sundays. The bank is closed on Sundays. My flight departs at 10 p.m. tonight. My flight departs at 10 p.m. tonight. The library is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The library is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The restaurant is not open for breakfast. The restaurant is not open for breakfast. The museum offers free admission on Tuesdays. The museum offers free admission on Tuesdays. The game show airs every Monday at 8 p.m. The game show airs every Monday at 8 p.m. I can speak 3 languages. I can speak 3 languages. She plays the piano beautifully. She plays the piano beautifully. He can run very fast. He can run very fast. We can swim well. We can swim well. They are good at math. They are good at math. The cat can jump high. The cat can jump high. This computer program can edit videos. This computer program can edit videos. A telescope can help you see stars. A telescope can help you see stars. A map can help you find your way. A map can help you find your way. A dictionary can help you define words. A dictionary can help you define words. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. She feels tired after a long day. She feels tired after a long day. He seems angry. He seems angry. We are excited for the weekend. We are excited for the weekend. They are worried about their exams. They are worried about their exams. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. This coffee tastes delicious. This coffee tastes delicious. This book is interesting. This book is interesting. This music sounds relaxing. This music sounds relaxing. The city looks beautiful at night. The city looks beautiful at night. She cooks dinner most nights. She cooks dinner most nights. They travel to Europe every summer. They travel to Europe every summer. He writes letters to his family. He writes letters to his family. We play games together. We play games together. The children play outside. The children play outside. Birds sing in the morning. Birds sing in the morning. Flowers bloom in the spring. Flowers bloom in the spring. The sun shines during the day. The sun shines during the day. It rains a lot in this region. It rains a lot in this region. The earth is round. The earth is round. I believe in honesty. I believe in honesty. She thinks the world is a beautiful place. She thinks the world is a beautiful place. He loves spending time with friends. He loves spending time with friends. We agree that education is important. We agree that education is important. They disagree with the new policy. They disagree with the new policy. Most people believe in something bigger than themselves. Most people believe in something bigger than themselves. Many scientists believe in climate change. Many scientists believe in climate change. Children often believe in magic. Children often believe in magic. I think this is a great idea. I think this is a great idea. She believes you are telling the truth. She believes you are telling the truth. I see a bird in the tree. I see a bird in the tree. She hears music coming from the next room. She hears music coming from the next room. He smells something burning. He smells something burning. We taste the difference between organic and non-organic food. We taste the difference between organic and non-organic food. They feel the soft fur of the cat. They feel the soft fur of the cat. I can help you with your homework. I can help you with your homework. She promises to be on time. She promises to be on time. He offers to pay for the bill. He offers to pay for the bill. We invite you to join our party. We invite you to join our party. They guarantee a full refund if you are not satisfied. They guarantee a full refund if you are not satisfied. Turn left at the next corner. Turn left at the next corner. Don't forget to call your mother. Don't forget to call your mother. Be careful when crossing the street. Be careful when crossing the street. Please wait here for a moment. Please wait here for a moment. Open the window, please. Open the window, please. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. The moon orbits the earth. The moon orbits the earth. Rivers flow into the sea. Rivers flow into the sea. Volcanoes erupt occasionally. Volcanoes erupt occasionally. Plants use photosynthesis to produce food. Plants use photosynthesis to produce food. Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you're having fun. History repeats itself. History repeats itself. The truth will always come out. The truth will always come out. Lightning strikes before thunder roars. Lightning strikes before thunder roars. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.